In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Airtable templates. If you've built a helpful base and want others to reuse your structure, sharing it as a template is simple and safe when you know the right settings. I'll guide you through each step, along with a few tips to keep things clear and secure. Start by logging into Airtable on a desktop browser, then open the base you want to share. This is the exact base that will become your template, so take a moment to review it. Remove any private or sensitive information and keep only sample records or placeholders. A clean, well-labeled base makes your template easier for others to understand. Next, open the Share menu. You'll find the Share button in the top right corner of the base. Click it to see all the options related to sharing and permissions. Now, enable sharing. In the Share menu, look for Share Publicly or Allow viewers to copy, depending on your plan. Turn this on. Airtable will generate a public link for your base. This link lets people view your template in their browser, and if you allow it, they can make their own copy. Your original base remains protected. Viewers won't be editing your live data. Customize permissions to fit your goals. If you want people to use your setup immediately, enable copying so they can create their own base from your template. If you only want to showcase the structure or gather feedback, choose viewing only, so no one can change anything. Pick the option that matches how you plan to distribute the template. When you're ready, click Copy Link. This is the URL you'll share wherever your audience is. Share your template by pasting the link into emails, social media posts, your website, or a video description. Include a brief note explaining what the template is for and who it helps. If you don't already have Airtable open, use the link in the description to access the website and follow along as you share your template. Before you send it broadly, test the link. Open it in an incognito window or another browser to confirm that visitors can view and, if allowed, copy the template exactly as intended. If something looks off, return to the Share menu and adjust the settings. Finally, maintain your template over time. Update it periodically to keep it relevant. And let your audience know if you make major changes. Refreshing field names, documentation, and example records keeps your template useful for everyone. That's how you can share Airtable templates publicly and allow others to copy them easily. Thanks for watching.